Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I put on this unit right here and how I put it on the glueless way. The glueless way. So don't be judging my Meek Millies right here. Don't be judging my braids. They've been in for a very long time and I have no problem with it, so you shouldn't either. So we are going to be putting on our wig the glueless way using my products, and I just kind of want to demonstrate how easy it is to do your wig with no adhesive. So I am using my Kinky Straight wig. This is 16 to 18 inches. It's on my website named as Nature. And we are going to be taking my curl whip from TiannaBlancoo.com. Support your local girl, your local black entrepreneur, okay? The products are affordable, trust me. And it comes with this edge tamer brush. So what I like to do is place the curl whip onto that hairline, and then I will be taking that edge tamer brush and I'm going to mold the hair to go towards the back. I'm going to just be pushing it back. This way that lace can now mold onto my skin basically. And this is a styling foam, so don't worry, this can come up with water, a little bit of sweat. It is the glueless way. So I'm just still going to be molding that hairline. I'm just trying to press into the lace. You want to kind of press into the lace and get it to where you want it to sit at on your hairline. And as I'm pressing onto the lace, I will be applying that curl whip directly onto it. And now once you have it in place, you will be taking your scarf. Now I'm taking my scarf. You can use, I really like to use the elastic band because it's literally, it goes directly on top of the lace. I will do a demonstration with that one. But then you want to take your blow dryer and set it on warm or high heat. And I do that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I can go ahead and style my unit. I will be curling this unit. Now this curling iron is from Amazon. It come with, I think, 5 different barrels. It come with like one really small 1 centimeter one, I believe. And then it goes to like a really big fat barrel. So I really like this because it curls well and it's just easy to interchange with them. So yeah, I will try to find it on Amazon. I had this for about 2 years now. These are my go-to curling irons. Now I just sped it up on my time lapse because I have many videos on my YouTube with curling. So I'll leave that in the link below if you really want to know how I curl my units. Next, I am taking my slick stick. This is the slick stick from my website as well, my hair product line. And this is not only used on wigs, you can use this on your natural hair. But when you use this slick stick, you want to use a pressing comb or something with like nice heat. So even if you use a flat iron, and I am just going to run that pressing comb to lay my part really flat because I wanted to give it that nice natural sleek look. Now on my website I have the slick stick and the curl whip for only $20 when you buy the bundle. So I'm telling you, it's really affordable. Do not, like, invest in it. I really want to know what you guys think of it, especially if you want to achieve that glueless effect. Especially if you are quarantining, this is the time to be practicing on laying down those units, honey. And then I just brushed out those curls because I really didn't want a tight curl like I normally do. I just kind of wanted like that nice loose effect, especially on a kinky straight wig. Look how bomb it is. It looks super natural, and if you feel like your lace is not blending in or it could blend in a little bit better, I'm just taking some leftover makeup that is on the brush and I will just be dabbing it. Now when I'm going for like that natural look, I usually go for this type of hair texture. This is the kinky straight, and I will list everything below, down from the wigs to the curl whip to the slick stick and the curling iron I use. And that's all, folks. So give this video a thumbs up.